Greetings! We venture into the intellectual battlefield today, dissecting a concept hotter than a supernova, wokeism. But before we dive in, remember to subscribe for more science and philosophy content. Let's dive in. Is wokeism a scientific beacon of awareness or a social neutron bomb fracturing our discourse? Buckle up as we crack open the science, analyze the societal impact, and ponder if it's all a distracting sideshow while the world burns. What is wokeism? Decoding the buzzword. Let's not get lost in the semantic quagmire. Wokeism, at its core, is a heightened awareness of social inequalities, particularly concerning race, gender, and sexuality. It encompasses diverse ideas, from critical race theory to intersectionality to LGBTQ activism. But beneath the buzzword lies a complex ecosystem of thought, demanding to be examined with a scientific lens. Science in the social sphere. Can we quantify justice? Can science illuminate the murky waters of social justice? Absolutely. The scientific method, with its emphasis on objectivity, evidence, and critical thinking, provides invaluable tools. Studies on implicit bias have exposed unconscious prejudices influencing law enforcement, while research on gender identity is illuminating the spectrum of human experience beyond the binary. These are scientific endeavors, tackling real-world issues with data and rigor. The intersectional puzzle, where science meets identity. But here's the crux. Wokeism often intersects with identity politics, creating a tangled web of perspectives. While acknowledging individual experiences is crucial, prioritizing identity over objective evidence can lead to confirmation bias and echo chambers. The risk? Science morphs into dogma, stifling critical discourse and hindering progress. The social schism? Where does wokeism divide us? Wokeism, like any powerful force, has ramifications. While fostering awareness of marginalized perspectives, it can also widen societal divides. Debates flare online, pitting woke against non-woke, each side entrenched in their respective narratives. This schism can obscure common ground, hindering collective action on pressing issues. Beyond the culture wars, are we missing the bigger picture? Let's not forget the urgent realities gnawing at humanity. The cost of living crisis squeezes millions, wars cast long shadows of despair, and the climate crisis looms like a gathering storm. Are we, lost in the woke versus non-woke quagmire, neglecting these larger injustices? This is a critical question demanding reflection. Finding equilibrium, science, social justice, and a unified path forward. The answer lies in equilibrium. We must embrace science's objective pursuit of truth while acknowledging the lived experiences that inform social justice movements. Critical thinking is the fulcrum, questioning both established institutions and our own biases. Only then can we achieve a holistic understanding, bridging societal divides and tackling the most pressing issues facing humanity. Science and social justice aren't opposing forces, but rather two sides of the same coin. Let's be the alchemists, forging a society where scientific rigor paves the path for a more equitable world. Remember, our critical minds are our most potent weapons. Use them to bridge divides, illuminate injustices, and pave the way for a future where progress serves not ideologies, but all of humanity.